If you're experiencing billing issues with your Apple ID, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your payment information. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Go to Settings, tap on your name, select Payment and Shipping, and verify that your credit card or payment method details are correct. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Look for any unexpected charges or subscriptions that may be causing the issue. Open the App Store, tap on your profile picture, and select Purchase to view your purchase history. Step 3. Update your Apple ID settings. Make sure your Apple ID is properly configured. Go to Settings, tap on your name, and check that your Apple ID is signed in correctly. If necessary, sign out and sign back in. Step 4. Contact Apple Support. If the problem persists, reach out to Apple Support for assistance. You can do this through the Apple Support app or by visiting the Apple Support website to chat or schedule a call. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further discrepancies. Regularly check your payment information and purchase history to prevent future billing problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues with your Apple ID. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Apple Support.